Hey guys, so another weekly report update. Again, I'm finishing some new content that I'm finally going to be able to post next week. That's a new hypothesis that I'm going to be testing. So, no new content for us to talk about. The only thing that we can notice here is that the last one that I released, like probably 3, maybe 4 weeks ago, is in the vicinity of 500 views, and the previous ones that were performing reasonably well are at 3K, 3.2K, 5.2, 8.6, 12.7K, right, and 3.1K. So no new conclusions, you know, since last report. Those these videos that performed well and went to the thousands and won, over 10,000 views, they have pretty much stagnated over time, right? We can see that in this curve. This one grew sharply on the first few days, but nowadays it brings a few views here and there. So that's it. And when we check on our main goal, which is to get the channel monetized. By the way, that is also reflect on the views dropping here, and this is 3 weeks that I'm working on a new hypothesis that I want to test. But when we look at lifetime, so that we can see our progress regarding our main goal of monetizing the channel, we see that we are over the 4,000 watch time hours. I think that we passed that 2 or 3 weeks ago, something like that. We are at 450 subscribers. So one of the goals we have met. The other one we still need to grow a bit more, which is to reach 1,000 subscribers. So just recapping for those of you who might not be as familiar with the monetization goals on YouTube, you need to have 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers in the last 365 days. So we're close. And still making progress, but we want to test a few new hypotheses this coming weeks so that we see if those will pay up as well. As it for today, guys, pretty short one, not a lot of news. Yeah, but we'll keep updating this weekly. See ya.